Welcome back to it. It's Maths Masterclass with Leo. Today we are doing problems on homogeneous first order differentials. We did introduction to first order differentials and we did separation of variables as well. So today we are doing problems on homogeneous. We did problems on previous videos. Check out our previous videos. We have two problems that we did. So now we're doing problem 3, which is as follows. Right? So in this case, it's a homogeneous simply because a function x and y are of the same degree. That is degree 2. That is why we conclude to say this is a homogeneous first order differential. Now, for me to solve this or to get the general solution for this, I'll start by saying divide by y squared, such that I have dy over dx is equals to x squared over y squared. That is, they are separated, right? So now, when I have this, the second step, I know I need to let y be ux. Let my denominator be ux, right? So now, after saying let y be ux, I can just differentiate this in terms of u. I'll get u plus x du over dx, right? Then substitute this back on my original equation, which is this one. I'll have u plus x du over dx is equals to x squared over ux squared, right? Then I can simplify that and have u plus x du over dx is equals to x squared over u squared x squared. X squared and x squared will cancel. I'll have u plus x du over dx is equals to what? 1 over u squared, right? Take this u to the other side. I'll have x du over dx is equals to 1 over u squared minus u, right? Then try to simplify this. I'll have x du over dx is equals to u squared as my lowest common multiple. Then I'll have this will be 1 minus u cubed, right? Then try to separate the variables. Then when I separate the variables, I'll have x du multiplied by u squared is equals to into 1 minus u cubed dx. What did I do? I cross multiplied. Then after that, separate the variables, divide by 1 minus u cubed, divide by 1 minus u cubed. Similarly, divide by x, right? Then this and this will cancel, this and this will cancel. I'll have du multiplied by u squared, divide by 1 minus u cubed, which is equals to dx over x, right? But I know when I have something like this, I need to use u substitution, right? I need to use u substitution because I already used u here. Let me just use v and say let v be 1 minus u cubed, right? When v is 1 minus u cubed, I can differentiate this and have dv over du is equals to what? Negative 3u squared, right? When I differentiate, a constant is 0. So this is what I'll be left with. Then, because here I have du, I need to make du the subject of the formula so that I can substitute du there. I'll have dv is equals to negative 3u squared multiplied by what? Du. What did I do? Cross multiply. Then divide by negative 3u squared, divide by negative 3u squared. This and this will cancel. Du is equals to what? dv multiplied by negative 1 over 3u squared, right? When I have it like that, I need to substitute it back where? Here. I need to substitute this and that y, right? So what I'll have is, try to rewrite this. I'll have u squared over 1 minus u cubed multiplied by du is equals to what? Dx over x, right? This is what I'll have. Then let's come here. We're still trying to get the general solution of this question, Still trying to get the general solution. So now, I need to substitute this where y. So I'll have u squared, but instead of saying 1 minus u cubed, I said let it be v. So I can just substitute v here, then multiply by, instead of saying du, I can substitute this, dv multiplied by negative 1 over 3 u squared, right? Which is equals to what? Is equals to 1 over x dx. This side. Where is it? This side. Right? So now, I can just say u and u will cancel. I'll be left with what? 1 over v dv is equals to what? Not 1 over v, but 1 over 3v. Then is equals to 1 over x dx. This is what I'll be left with. Because u and u will cancel, I'll be left with negative 1 over 3. It will multiply v. This is what I have. Right? So now, when I have it like this, I can just say integrate. Right? When I integrate this, I'll have negative 1 over 3 ln of v. Right? Which is equals to ln of x plus c. Are we done? No. We said let v be what? Be that. So it means I can substitute 1 minus u to the power 3 back and say 1 over 3 ln of 1 minus u cubed is equals to ln of x plus c. Of course, I'm not done, because remember, we also said let u or y be ux, right? So it means we can change this to x divided by x. So u is equals to what? Y over x. So I can substitute this back where I have u. Remember u, just write it here, remember y is equals to ux. Therefore, u is equals to y over x. Right? Substitute back here, I'll have negative 1 over 3 ln of 1 minus, instead of saying u, I can just say y over 3 over x. This is to the power 3, which is equals to ln of x plus c. Right? Which is equals to ln of x plus c. Then I'm not done. I need to simplify that part. I need to simplify it. Then when I simplify this, I'll have negative 1 over 3 ln of 1 minus y cubed x cubed is equals to ln of x plus c, which is negative 1 over 3 ln of x cubed, which is my lowest common multiple. This will be x cubed minus y cubed is equals to ln of x plus c. Then this is my general solution. That is my general solution. I hope you understand and I hope you enjoyed our lesson. Thank you so much for subscribing, sharing the content with your friends, and I hope you really enjoy our lessons. Stay tuned for more videos that will be like this, that will be helpful like this. Thank you so much, guys. Tango.